Unlock the power of immediate, direct communication by mastering bulk WhatsApp messaging with Twilio. First, let's set up your Twilio account and enable the WhatsApp Sandbox. This is your playground to test sending messages. Before going live, navigate to the programmable messaging section in your Twilio console and locate the WhatsApp section. Click on Enable Sandbox and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll receive a unique WhatsApp number from Twilio. Now, let's understand how to send a message. You'll need to make an API request to Twilio. This involves specifying your Twilio account SID, auth token, the sender's WhatsApp number, your Twilio Sandbox number, the recipient's WhatsApp number, and the content of your message. Think of this as an automated letter, with all the necessary address and content details. To send messages in bulk, you'll typically integrate Twilio's API into your own application, or use a service built on top of it. This involves preparing a list of recipients, perhaps from a customer database or a spreadsheet. Your application will then loop through this list, making individual API requests to Twilio for each recipient, ensuring each person receives a personalized message. For marketing campaigns, personalizing messages with recipient names or relevant details dramatically boosts engagement. You can also schedule these messages to go out at optimal times, ensuring your audience receives your updates when they're most likely to see them. This efficient approach maximizes your reach and impact on a platform your customers actively use. Beyond marketing, bulk WhatsApp messaging is invaluable for sending timely notifications for appointments, order updates, or critical announcements. By leveraging Twilio's robust API, you can reliably deliver these important messages to a large audience, ensuring widespread awareness and immediate action when needed.